YouTube, this is John and this is a TECNO K7, and this video I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your phone in case you forgot your patterns or password. First of all, what you're going to do, you're going to click the power button and then swipe down to turn off the phone. And when the phone is shutting down, you're going to click on the volume up and the power button, and this is how you're going to do it. I'm going to hold my volume up and power button at the same time. Then I hold it until I go to the recovery mode. You hold it until it goes to recovery mode. So we are in the recovery mode, and this is what we get. And this is the TECNO, as you can see, K7, and this would work on other versions. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to, I'm going to go back and do this. So to accept the changes, I accidentally clicked the power button before, but to navigate, you have to click the volume down. So what you're going to do, let me bring the phone. You're going to go click the volume down. Then you click on wipe cache partition, and then that will take a second. Then you go back and click the volume down. Then you go to factory reset, as you can see it. Then click volume down. To accept changes, you click on the power button. Then our phone will start to format everything in it. Then you're going to click on here, the power button, to restart the phone. And this will take minutes, at times 10 minutes, but we're going to wait for it to complete. In my case, I'm going to pause this video so that we can continue when it has reached until it has reached the point where we can enter our, I'm going to show you where it gets stuck on the Google account. In case someone doesn't know it, I'm going to show you in the next video how to bypass it. And let's wait until it takes us there. And this is how you can do the hard reset. And you have to make sure your phone is fully charged. Let me pause this video, then we shall continue.